Hello to all my viewers. This is Dr. Dhaval Maheta. And today we will discuss how to generate bar inside bar chart in Tableau. So for this, we will go in the environment of Tableau. Now in Tableau, the variables are divided into two sections. The first one is dimension and second one is measures. Let us pick up one dimension and one measure. So subcategory and sales. Now let's change the let's change this axis to horizontal. Make this entire view. Now I want to insert one more measure, that is profit, along with this sales. How can I do it? I'll pick up the profit from here and I'll drop it on the x-axis. Now you can see that in the same vertical axis we are having profit also and sales also. Can I make some advanced charts from here? Yes. I'll pick up the segment from here and drop it into the columns. Now we are having three bar inside bar charts according to the consumer, corporate, and home office. So this is a way you can generate bar inside bar chart in Tableau. For more videos on Tableau, kindly subscribe to my channel. You can follow me on LinkedIn and Twitter. Please refer my playlist in which I already uploaded many videos on Tableau. Don't forget to press the like button.